Hi, I'm Lisa from Orbtronics. Want clients to begin paying you directly from your site? This is simple through Opay by creating a payment button. Once you've signed into the dashboard, you head to the payment button section and you click create button. There you'd give your button a name, a description, an amount, and you'd select a currency. You can also add a success URL if you'd like for there to be a page that your customers go to upon successful payment, and a cancel URL if you'd like that there be a page where customers go to if they've canceled their payment. You can toggle on or off collecting the customer's name and email. I'll keep that on, and you create the button. Once that button is created, you click share. And there are different ways that you can integrate the button into your site. So the payment link is here that you can copy and do that custom, or there are snippets of code that you can also copy into your site. So I will use the integration by badge. You copy, you enter the code, and you paste. Thereafter, once you head to your site, your button should be up on the site and there is the Opay branding. Once customers click on this button, they will be taken to Stripe checkout. That's the easy and simple way of integrating payment buttons onto your site.